And just like that, we're down to our last commute for this semester. After months of exams, breakdown, and surviving on iced coffee, we finally made it to the last day of school. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako as I document every single second of it.
This is Pont, York City, then all stations to Sheffield, then all stations to Pont.
Yung bus natin, 10:59. Papunta lang ako sa bus stop, guys. Ganda yung weather. Maaraw. Maaraw, pero malamig. Kaya super perfect. And may exams ako ngayon, guys. Oh my gosh. Wish me luck. Here na tayo. Here na sa bus stop. Antayin lang natin yung bus. Morning.
Yung bus ride from our place to the train station, mga day, only takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Kaya minsan naglalakad lang ako to the station or from the station going home para tipid na din ng pamasahe. But since today, last day of school naman na and may exams ako. So nagbus na lang ako para hindi ako mas stress and medyo fresh pa ako pag mag-exam na.
Thank you.
And I'm going to Parramatta Station since yung school ko ay nasa Parramatta. And it's just actually 2 stops away from Seven Hills. So, mga less than 10 minutes lang din yung train ride. And share ko lang kaya ako napili yung school ko ngayon kasi malapit lang talaga siya from where I live. It's just in Parramatta, so sobrang accessible and convenient. And ayun, finally dumating na nga ang train natin, mga Zai. And wala naman masyadong commuters at this hour, kaya sure na makakaupo tayo. And kung mapapansin yung mga Zai, may up and down na windows yung trains because double-decker yung mga trains dito sa city. Sorry, yeah. And dito dumating na nga tayo sa Parramatta Station. But tumaan na ako sa Metro or Woolies to buy some hot chocolate to keep me going throughout the day.
Thank you.
Finally, we're in school na and hindi muna ako pumasok sa room kasi nandito muna ako nagtambay sa gilid para kunyari magre-review and stuff. But before that, shout out muna pala kay Chan for driving all the way to Parramatta para lang talaga makapag-print ako ng reviewers ko for this exam kasi wala kami printer, guys. Kaya thank you so much, Yot. And yeah, pumasok na nga ako dyan sa room. Dito na din yung prof namin and konti pa lang yung mga students, guys. Siguro mga 5 pa lang. But ibang klase kasi yung prof namin kasi pag 12:05 na, exacto talaga magsa-start na siya ng discussion. So ayun, nag-start na siya mag-refresher para sa mga formulas na pwedeng gamitin sa exam. Honestly, at this point, wala na talaga akong paki, guys. Hindi na ako nakikinig dyan kasi ang sakit na ng ulo ko. And ayun, finally, tapos na yung exams. Tapos na din yung classes ko. Actually, last day of school namin today, guys. Sana talaga maipasa ko lahat ng subjects ko this semester. And sana talaga makapasa din ako sa exams. And ito nga, pauwi na ako niyan. Nag-train na lang din ako pabalik. Ulit, pwede din kasi mag-bus pabalik, guys. But since dadaan pa kasi ako sa Blacktown to buy some ingredients for siomai. Since meron tayong order na isang tray. Thank you so much for supporting my small business, mga guys.
Muna ako sa Blacktown, guys, kasi bibili ako ng mall wrapper for siomai kasi may order ako ng isang tray. Can I have a bag, please? Ano yan? Ano yan? Tapos naman. Ako lang. Hi. No, it's okay.
Is it a camera?
Yeah, it is. I'm vlogging.
I mean, what I'm supposed to do is if I don't go to the I-6 here, company out there, the I-6 is compared to I-6.
Yes, question. Say hi. Thank you. Thank you. You too.
And ayun, nagbus lang din ulit ako pa uwi. This time I'm coming from Blacktown, so the travel time would take around 20 to 25 minutes papunta dun sa house namin or sa bus stop malapit sa house namin. Convenient pa rin siya guys because at least 2 stations ang pwedeng panggalingan kung pauwi or kung pupunta ka somewhere. So yeah, and dyan sineset up ko lang yung iPad ko kasi may class ako ng 3 p.m. Online class lang siya. Naisip ko hindi na lang sana pumasok pero since last day of school naman or last day of class naman, papasok na lang ako while making siomai. Online lang din naman siya, so I don't have any excuse. Finally, we're home mga Zai at nakikinig pa rin ako dyan sa online class ko kasi baka biglang magtawag ang ating prof at hindi tayo makasagot. Baka isipin na wala tayo, hindi tayo nakikinig. And yan, gumagawa na ako ng siomai. Multitasking ang person mga Zai kasi sayang ang kita. So yan, habang nag-online class ako, gawa-gawa tayo ng siomai para maibenta din natin and gawa tayo ng extra para may makain tayo. Ayan, kumakain na nga ang first son. Sobrang sarap din talaga ng siomai ko guys, promise. Kaya try nyo mag-order, cherries. Thank you sa recipe ng tito ko. Ang dami ko ng benta sa siomai niya. Anyway, nagbe-browse lang ako ng hotels dyan guys. Tapos biglang napatawag ako for recitation. Kaya walang choice.
Well, I think for me, a good example of globalization and cross-border transportation is McDonald's. So as you all know, that McDonald's operates across different countries. Although they offer standard products like the Big Mac, they make sure that they would incorporate local menu items in other markets to suit local preferences. So, for example, in a country like the Philippines, our McDonald's there has actually rice meals in the menu. But when I came to Australia, I realized that there are no rice meals in McDonald's here, only just the burgers and the chips. And then in terms of the cross-cultural adaptation,
Ayan, so naibida pa nga natin ang ating bansang pinanggalingan, no? Kinumpare natin ang McDonald's in the Philippines and Australia. Buti naman nakasagot ng girl mga Zai, kaya automatic present na yan sa attendance kasi nag-recite ka na. And ayun lang for today's video mga Zai. Thank you so much for watching this video. And sa mga aspiring international students out there, I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Sana nagkaroon na kayo ng idea kung paano maging MBA student dito sa Australia. And I hope to see you all here in Sydney. Also, if you have any comments or questions or may mga gusto kayong i-content ko, just comment din down in the comment section or you can message me in my social media accounts. Yun lang guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!